Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix a screen time glitch after iOS 18 update. For example, if you have recently updated your device to latest iOS 18 update, and now if you want to fix the glitch related to screen time problem, so if you are facing that, so how you can fix that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and here what you have to do, you have to simply click on general, and this time you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and after that you have to simply reset all of your settings. So if you reset all of your settings, then all settings will be reset to default, including the screen time. So if you want to check whether what is the problem with the screen time, so you have to simply open the screen time here. So previously it was available turn off the screen time, but now it is available turn off app and website activity. So here you can simply click on change screen time passcode for changing a passcode. But if you want to turn off the screen time, then you have to turn off all the toggles one by one. For example, if you have set a screen distance, you can simply turn this toggle off. Moreover, you can simply set the app limits. But if you want to turn off the screen time, you have to change all the toggles one by one. So in this way, you can simply change all the settings manually. So previously it was available on the option of turn off screen time, and you can simply turn off the screen time by simply click on that. But now you have to simply change the setting manually. But if you want to change the setting, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest software update of iOS 18, because these kind of bugs or glitch are fixed by the latest version of the iOS. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.